Hi, Greg Story coming to you from Akasaka in Tokyo at the High Performance Center for Dale Carnegie Training. I'm the president of Dale Carnegie Training, and I'm actually in the office today. It's a Sunday. I'm doing some shooting for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. It's a business program that I release every week on Tuesdays, and I'm looking at the sort of critical factors in business which will help companies all around the soft skills areas with people. So, it's going to be things like leadership elements, it's going to be things like sales, presentation skills, communication skills, these types of things, which are often the really critical things we all need more of to give good information to people on how to do better. So when you're looking for information about Japan, you're looking for business information about Japan, this would be one of the shows to go to, because we're now up to episode 69, I think, is released. Next Tuesday will be episode 70. Will come out. So there's quite a bit of blog there, a good background of information over what is, well, more than a year now. So if you're looking for those sorts of topics, that would be a good show to look at. So I invite you, if you haven't looked at the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show, go onto YouTube, go to our YouTube channel. It's Japan Dale Carnegie TV, Japan Dale Carnegie TV, and you'll see, as one of the many things in our playlist there, the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. And as I say, if it's leadership you have an interest in, or sales, or presentation skills, or communication skills, this is what I cover. And I'm looking really to make some adjustment for people who are not used to working in Japan or living in Japan, particularly around things that has a little bit of a Japan twist to it. For the sort of long haul, well-experienced people here, then, just general things about leadership. We can always learn better about leadership, sales, communication, presentation skills. So there'll be something in there for everyone. So have a look at that. Go to YouTube, punch in Japan Dale Carnegie TV, go onto our YouTube channel, look for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. I hope we're going to be able to see some more viewers for the product we're producing. I'd like to get the message out to help more people. We've seen a big increase in the last year, number of subscribers. So please take a look. If you think it's interesting, then become a subscriber as well. And we're going to keep producing great content for you. And we're also interested in your feedback. If you've got particular things that you'd like covered in the show in those areas of leadership, sales, presentation skills, communication, that we haven't covered already, and you say, hey, I'm interested in this, then leave a comment. We'll do content for you, because that's the whole point of this exercise. We're producing this content to help you. So leave me a comment, let me know what you'd like to hear more about, and I look forward to welcoming you as a new and regular subscriber to the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show.